How to change your YouTube TV viewing area. Adjusting your viewing area on YouTube TV ensures access to the correct local channels and regional sports networks. Here's how to update both your home area and current playback area effectively. 1. Changing your home area. Your home area determines your local channels and regional sports access. Steps to update your home area. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or visit youtube.com in a browser. Access settings. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Update home area. Navigate to area, home area, and click update. Enter your new address or zip code when prompted. Important considerations. You can change your home area twice within 12 months. You must be physically present in the new location to update it. To maintain access to local content, use YouTube TV at least once every 3 months in your home area. 2. Updating your current playback area. Your current playback area determines the local channels available when traveling or temporarily in a different location. Steps to update your current playback area. On a smart TV, open the YouTube TV app. Click your profile picture and select location, current playback area. Click Update and follow on-screen instructions. You may need a mobile device to verify your location. On a mobile device or web browser, open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com. Click your profile picture and go to Settings, Area, Current Playback Area. Click Update and allow location access when prompted. Important considerations. Updating the playback area enables access to local channels in your current location. Local program recording is restricted to your home area. Regularly using YouTube TV in your home area ensures uninterrupted access to designated local content. By keeping your home area and playback area updated, you can seamlessly enjoy local content whether at home or on the go.